뭐라고? 뭐라고? What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 뭐. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 175. 뭐. 뭐. Sometimes this is pronounced as abrupt 뭐. 뭐. The meaning of the word 뭐 or 뭐 is what? This is used to ask or to form interrogative sentences. How do we write the word 뭐 or 뭐? First, we need to draw a mium character followed by an u character followed by an o character. You would notice the wo sound is formed by the combination of the u and o sound. We just have to combine this to form the hangul of the word 뭐. Now let's try to look into this example sentence or interrogative sentence. It says, what did you say? The Korean translation of this is 뭐라고? Again, in Korean, it's 뭐라고 or 뭐라고. The 뭐 or 뭐 part is our word for today, and we know that it means what. If we add rago at the ending of it, it will become 뭐라고. And since rago means it is, 뭐라고 will mean what it is. Take note that this is a question or an interrogative sentence. Although literally, 뭐라고 means what it is, this is also used to ask, what did you say? So when you hear Koreans say 뭐라고, it's the same as asking, what did you say or what it is? So looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the phrase or the word 뭐라고 or sometimes 뭐라고 is simply, what did you say? And with that, you've just learned 뭐 or 뭐. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 165 to 174. But don't forget, our word for today is word number 175, 뭐, which means what. Word number 174 is 내가, and this is a pronoun which means I or me. Word number 173 is 후배, which means junior or someone younger in terms of experience. Word number 172 is 선배, which means senior or someone older in terms of experience. Word number 171 is 안 돼, and this is used to say no or no way in an informal manner. Word number 170 is 콜, which means deal. Word number 169 is Joesyo, and this is used to say, I like you. Word number 168 is 나도, which means me too. Word number 167 is 아기, and this is the Korean noun for a baby or a young human. Word number 166 is 오늘도, which means today too. And the last for our review is word number 165, 돌아와, which means come back. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.